Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to screen record your Android phone screen. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you have like an Android 11 or above, so for those updates or for those version of Android, you will be able just to screen record from your phone without any new application or any external app. So to check your phone version, you will need just to go to settings. After that, you will need just to go to system, and basically you will need just to go about the tablets. You will find the device name, etc. And of course, you will need just to go back, and here you can find which Android version. In my case, I have the Android 9, so I do not have like the inbuilt or the built-in screen recorder on my Android. So if you have like the Android 11 or above, you will need just like to drag from top to bottom, and then you will find the screen recorder option here in this menu. Otherwise, you can just like try to download this application, which is called the X Recorder. You will need just to go to Play Store and make sure it is from the InShot Incorporation. It is the most downloaded application of screen recording. Then you will need just to go to it, you click, and basically you can start capture your screen and start recording it. So now we're waiting for it just to uh, so now that's the app started. I'm just going to try the limited edition, and basically we need just to wait for it to start like turning on or giving us like the ability to screen record. So now all you need to do now is just to click on record, and we'll start. You will need just to give it this permission. You click on start now, and basically you will need just to start recording your screen, and you can stop it whenever you want from here. So either you can stop like pausing the screen recording, or you can just like quit and stop it and end the recording, and you will have it in your gallery. So you will just click here, click in here, and this is our screen recording, and you can save it and it will be saved on your gallery. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.